Enjoy your shot.
Who's there?
Another nightmare. This is it. Desolate, devoid, the darkness. Suppose it doesn't matter when you sleep, when night and the day are the same.
I've heard of this place before. The cave. People don't talk about it much, but I knew it existed. It's like I'm here and yet nowhere.
Who's there?
I'm sorry, I didn't know anyone lived down here.
Live?
I just mean...
Where did you come from?
I'm from the university. I mean no harm.
You're from out there?
Yes.
No. You're from in here, aren't you? I made you up, didn't I?
No, I'm real.
Real? What is that supposed to mean?
Just that I'm a person.
Okay, person. Why are you here? Why would anyone pick here for a place to visit?
I was just taking a walk, and sometimes I like to get out of the city to clear my mind.
You seem so familiar. Have we met?
I wanted to say the same thing about you, but no. I mean, I don't think we could have. I don't think I'd seen you around.
Oh, you're funny. I've been here a long time, and yet I've seen no one. How did you say you found this place?
I've heard rumors about a mysterious cave, but I always thought it was an urban legend, a myth. And then I saw an opening, and I thought, why not?
Why not what?
Go in.
Listen, do you think there might be a reason why this place is off your radar?
Well, I never thought about that.
Yeah, you haven't had to.
What do you mean?
Leave! If you don't have to be here and you're not some manifestation, then go!
Come with me.
Oh, am I still sleeping? I must be.
No, I don't think so.
How would you know? I must still be stuck in a nightmare.
Come with me into town. It's not a far walk. I can get you out of here and away from all the bugs and whatever else that might lurk down here. I mean...
Come closer. Come closer. Yeah. Closer still. true.
Why'd you do that?
I had to make sure.
What?
You can't see. We're one and the same.
Hey, I get it. It's dark and cold, and you've obviously been here for a while, and things can get confusing, but I just want to help, okay? Get you cleaned up, fed. I mean, you can't obviously be getting fresh water down here. Would you let me?
Let you what?
Help.
You say you're from out there?
Yes, from the city. You know, with the big buildings, the traffic. There's a Starbucks in every corner, you know, the city.
And you live there?
Yes, I have an apartment near the university where I study.
University?
Yeah, you know it. It's small, but I'm sure they have resources that can help.
No, there's nothing for me out there. Let me sleep.
It's daytime.
Not in here. Here it's always night.
Don't you miss the sunlight?
No sunlight, no need to wake up. You know what it's like? Waking up remembering everything you tried so hard to forget.
Bad things happen. You know, sometimes I can't even turn on the news, it's all so much. You know, I can even understand why here you might even feel safe. You may not believe me, but there's hope. You know, sometimes we've been down here for so long we think that there isn't, but there is.
Who taught you that?
I've seen it. I've felt it.
Look at me.
You start slipping, you have to do something. You have to tell somebody. You can't just bottle it up inside and hope it goes away. I mean, you'll tell yourself that you're okay, but deep down you know that you're not. You don't have to sit alone in the darkness or chase the light.
Okay, shh. Okay. I hear you.
I just had to tell you that.
It may not make sense to you,
But it will.
It reminds me of what my father told me. If you walk with your face towards the sun,
You can't see the shadows. What do you study at the university?
literature, words, the stories they tell.
Well, I'm familiar.
I try to find meaning.
Meaning?
Yeah, purpose, function, a higher reason. We all have that.
No, even me. Find purpose here. What are you doing?
I'm making us a way out. I'll help you climb out. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I won't leave you down here. Here, take my hand.
I can't.
Come on, reach.
It's too far. I can't.
You can. I'll show you. Take my hand. The first step is always the hardest.
Good job tonight. That's good energy.
Thank you. Yeah, you too.
Yeah.
You were great.
You were great. It was a good show.